A love between Canada and Bujumbura, building a bridge of opportunity. Years after building their family between Canada and Burundi, Daniel and Aline began thinking about a new dream. They wanted their love story to become more than a personal success. They wanted it to create opportunities for others. One evening, while looking through old photos from their wedding in Bujumbura, Daniel and Aline talked about the journey that brought them together. Burundi gave us our roots, Aline said. Canada gave us new opportunities. Maybe we can build something that connects both places. That idea became the beginning of a new chapter. Daniel and Aline started a business that connected Canada and Burundi. They wanted to share the beauty, talent, and products of Burundi with people in Canada while creating opportunities for families back home. Their first project focused on supporting Burundian producers. They worked with local farmers, artisans, and small businesses to bring high-quality Burundian products to new markets. They believed that many talented people in Burundi simply needed access to better opportunities. Aline used her knowledge of Burundian culture and her relationships with people in Bujumbura to find hard-working partners. Daniel used his experience in Canada to understand the market, build connections, and create a strong foundation for the business. At the beginning, it was not easy. They faced challenges with transportation, communication, and learning how to manage a business between two countries. But just like their marriage, they believed that patience and teamwork could overcome obstacles. Their children watched their parents work late nights, having meetings between different time zones, and making decisions together.